Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel for all pocket watch enthusiasts. Today, I'm presenting the Cortebert Caliber 620, one of the most iconic movements ever made by Cortebert. Watch the video until the end and discover some fascinating details about its history and design. Cortebert was one of the great Swiss watch manufacturers of the 19th and early 20th centuries. Founded around 1790 in the village of Cortebert, in the canton of Neuchâtel, the brand became known for the quality and precision of its mechanical movements. During the 20th century, Cortebert produced high-grade movements not only for its own watches but also for other renowned brands, including Omega and Rolex in certain cases. One of the brand's most remarkable achievements came when its railway-grade movements became the standard for several European railway companies, solidifying Cortebert's reputation for accuracy and reliability. In the 1940s and 1950s, Cortebert introduced iconic calibers such as the Caliber 616 and Caliber 620, both celebrated for their robust construction and precision. These calibers later became the foundation for the Unitas 6497 and 6498 movements, still widely used today in modern pocket and wristwatches. Unfortunately, with the arrival of the quartz crisis in the 1970s, Cortebert could not survive and eventually disappeared from the market. Yet its legacy lives on, both in the movements still in production and in the inspiration it continues to provide to watchmakers and collectors around the world. The Cortebert Caliber 620 is one of the most recognized and respected movements ever produced by the historic Swiss manufacturer Cortebert. Introduced during the 1940s and 1950s, the 620 quickly became known for its robustness, precision, and reliability, qualities that helped build Cortebert's lasting reputation among collectors and watchmakers. Developed as an evolution of the Caliber 616, it featured improvements in stability and mechanical efficiency. This is a manual winding mechanical movement, admired for its clean and well-balanced design, typical of the classic pocket watches of its era. The 620 also served as the technical foundation for legendary movements such as the Unitas 6497 and 6498, which are still produced and used today, a true testament to Cortebert's engineering excellence. Even decades after the brand's disappearance, the Caliber 620 remains a symbol of traditional Swiss watchmaking, representing the peak of mechanical precision and functional elegance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next videos.